A for Avocet with a beak so neat, wading in water on tiny feet. B for Bulbul, dancing to and fro, singing sweet songs wherever we go.
C for Crow, who loves to caw, black and shiny, clever with awe.
D for Duck with a quack quack sound, splashing in puddles all around.
E for Eagle, strong and grand,
Flying high above the land.
F for Flamingo, pink and tall, balancing softly,
one leg, that's all.
G for Goose, walking in line, honk, 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 that sound is mine.
H for Hen with her chicks so small, cluck, 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 she loves them on.
I for Ibis, long beak so fine,
Searching the pond, it's breakfast time.
J for Jay, so bright and blue,
Singing hello, how do you do?
K for Kingfisher, diving so fast, catching fish, what a blast.
L for Lark, singing in flight, welcoming every morning light.
M for Magpie, shiny and bright, stealing treasures with delight.
N for Nightingale, soft and sweet, her song makes dreams complete. O for Owl, hoo-hoo, he cries, wise and watchful with big round eyes.
P for Peacock, feathers wide, dancing proudly side by side.
Q for Quail, tiny and quick, running through grass, click, click, click.
R for Robin, red and small,
Singing happily through it all. S for Sparrow, chirpy and sweet, jumping around on tiny feet. T for Toucan, beak so wide, rainbow colors side by side. U for Umbrella bird, puffed up hair, looking fancy everywhere.
V for Vulture, flying high,
Circling slowly in the sky. W for Woodpecker, pecking a tree, tap, tap, tap so busily. X for Xantus, humming fast, sipping nectar as he flies past. I for Yellow Wagtail, wagging with cheer, tweet, 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 I'm here, I'm here.
Z for Zebra Finch, striped and small,
Chirping together, one and all.